Go big on cooling power. The Dreo AC515S portable air conditioner brings massive 12,000 BTU SRA cooling capacity that reaches up to 14 feet, helping you keep the comfortable temp in the sweltering summer. Isolate noise. Amplify comfort, featuring a new noise isolation system around the compressor. This portable air conditioner reduces noise down to a minimum 46 decibels, making it ideal for quiet places like bedrooms and offices. Drainage-free and powerful cooling when the humidify under 85%. Bring uninterrupted cold air to your room. Thanks to Dreo's new AC unit design, a dedicated condenser and water pump helps transfer excess water and reduces the need for drainage. Compared to traditional floor air conditioners, smart cooling at your fingertips. Use your favorite voice assistant compatible with Amazon Alexa or Google Home or the fully featured Dreo app to control every aspect of your cooling experience. From multiple modes to fan speeds, timers and schedules, this standing AC has it all. 3-in-1 mode with fan and dehumidifier. Get more control of the way you cool thanks to the 3-in-1 mode, including settings for cooling, dehumidifying and fan control in one. Finding the ideal comfort setting is easier than ever with the Dreo room air conditioner. Hassle-free DIY installation with universal window kits. Don't worry about the window type or size. This air conditioner for bedrooms features multiple panel combinations that are easy to fit and secure on any window from 17 to 53. Superb customer service. Our friendly customer support works around the clock to solve any issues and give you all the product guidance needed when using Dreo AC series. Large LED display, drainage-free and cool mode, 12,000 BTU powerful fast cooling, 46 decibels quiet working noise level, touchpad, app, voice, remote control, smart sleep mode, wide angel auto swing, 1 to 20 for age timer, work with Alexa and Google Assistant, portable AC with handles and casters, 3-in-1 modes with cool, dehumidify, fan, customized sleep curve, easy to clean etc. are special features of this model.